gives it this deep V8 sound. And look how big that truck is.
Perfect.
If you're new here, welcome to the Autolust YouTube channel. If you already a member, what's swinging, gang? We back at the crazy, buck wild Whoops Motorsports. And man, you know, we're gonna do a big exhaust update. If you haven't seen the first exhaust update like this, I'm not even gonna tell you. I'm just gonna put the link down in the description so you guys can check it out. You know, that video right there, that video is crazy. And this one is gonna be even crazier because we got more stuff done. So if you never seen a BMW twin turbo V8 with 3.5 inch full exhaust from the turbos back, then you in for a treat because it's getting crazy in here and they cooking up something crazy at Whoops Motorsport. And if you guys, you know, would like to support the channel, you know, support the bills, I do have a Patreon link down in the description. You know, I'll make sure to put my Patreon and my PayPal support link down in the description. My Patreon is only $3 a month. That's less than a cup of coffee, you know, per day, you know, so that's per month. So if you guys want to support for general support, it's only $3 a month. I appreciate it, gang. Let's get in here and see this exhaust. You talking about big downpipes? That's what 3.5 inch downpipes look like. Crazy big. Barely have room to get them in there. Barely enough room. It's crazy how big those downpipes are.
I know my hands in a good spot where it's like too far for the 90, but I remember it's pulled down. So.
Yeah.
Okay, probably the 90 will probably be right after the transmitter. Yeah. Work with it from there.
All right, so Josh said we're gonna end up having to modify the transfer case subframe, which is this little baby subframe here, and mainly because now that we have the downpipes in, it's not enough, you know, angle to go past it correctly without dropping it down too far, and we don't want any like low clearance, right? So I'm gonna let Josh tell you exactly what he's gonna do or around what his plans are to, you know, rectify this problem.
So probably what we're gonna end up doing is we're probably gonna be cutting it somewhere along here, plating it, and then what we'll do is cut this up here and probably replace it with some DOM tubing of whatever sizing I can feel that is gonna hold up to the torque and everything else that this thing's gonna be putting out. So we'll play with it a little bit and we'll see. We might even get away with maybe cutting this and then inverting it and then welding it back inside, and that just gives us that ½ inch clearance, which should be plenty for us to get what we're doing.
All right, so that sounds like a plan, gang. So I'm gonna hopefully it's still in good condition. If not, hey, they getting ready to kick me out the shop. Hopefully it's still in good condition.
It's usable.
Oh, okay, he said it's usable. Well, the exhaust is gonna be wrapped anyway, so.
Well, if we're matching, I could have just gone with this.
The only thing is the box is gonna sit.
That box is crazy. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like. Cause when the exhaust gases mix on this car, it gives it this deep V8 sound. And look how big that joke is, man. That's crazy. And it's gonna sit up a little higher than that, guys. We're gonna modify the heat shields because they're a little bit too low because I had to bend them out for the 4-inch carbon drive shaft. So I bent them out a little too much. But as you can see from on the side of the car, you won't see it at all.
So it's actually 245.
Might be pretty close.
Yeah. With the bellow then.
That's perfect.
Yeah. So just cut this other shit.
Yeah.
You want to mock up this side too?
Yeah, that's
Just in case I have to cut this one down. Yeah, comes out about the same area.
same area. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, just cut that one to match.
So that's the finished product. As you can see,
Please hurry up.
Josh's famous pie cuts on the bellow, and it turned out gorgeous. Straight from heaven. Look how he's holding it. Straight from heaven. That is nice. That is nice. Stellar work as always.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, that looks sick. So guys, this is pretty much what it's gonna look like coming out of the downpipes. As you can see, the downpipes are wrapped, so you can see where the V-band clamp, then it's welded into the bellow, and then a straight shot back, and it's gonna 45 into the custom resonator box that they made. So I mean, this is gonna be crazy. That's gonna be crazy. It's gonna go directly into here, then it's gonna dump out the back at an angle. So man, I hope this thing spits crazy flames, because that's what I want to see coming from up under this car. And the type of power and the fuel I'm gonna be running for the tune, it should definitely spit flames out of there easily.
As you can see, the exhaust is turning into a complete work of art. But the only way to know for sure if it sounds as good as it looks is to like, share, and subscribe. Stick around for part 2, coming soon.